Monkey Mike, just chillin' in the treetops, munching on your one perfectly good banana. Life sweet. Then you hear it, chattering, screeching. Down below, monkeys are going bananas. They're waving leaves, pointing excitedly. Banana, go up. Someone shrieks. New banana, shiny, fast, bye bye bye. Suddenly, your own banana feels small. Sad, you feel it, deep in your monkey belly. FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO, investing. It's when you see everyone else jumping on the hype train, and you panic buy. Just because you're scared of missing the big win? Like Monkey Mike sees all his friends getting rich, apparently on these new super speed bananas? Rumor has it Farmer Bob grew them near a magic waterfall. Banana go up, to the moon. The crowd screams. Monkey Mike doesn't know Farmer Bob, hasn't tasted the banana, just sees the frenzy. His leaves feel heavy in his paw, ... itchy. So, Monkey Mike dives in. Whoosh! He trades all his safe, boring leaves for a bunch of these magic bananas. Monkey happy, he thinks. Briefly, because guess what? Those super speed bananas. Turns out, Farmer Bob just glued glitter on regular bananas. Not so magical, not so fast. The hype fizzles. Suddenly, the chatter changes. Banana go down? Oh no. Sell, sell, sell. Panic spreads faster than a dropped banana peel. Monkey Mike watches horrified as the value of his glitter bananas plummets. Splat! Like a rotten fruit hitting the jungle floor. He traded his good leaves for sparkly garbage. Monkey said his FOMO led him straight into a trap. He bought high when everyone was screaming, banana go up, driven purely by the frenzy. Now he's stuck holding worthless bananas while everyone else scrambles to sell. He missed the real point, understanding what he was buying. See smart monkeys? They do their homework. They might watch the frenzy, sure, but they ask, who is Farmer Bob? Is this banana actually different? Does this price make sense? They don't just follow the screeching crowd, they might wait to see if the banana hype has real juice or if it's just hot air. Sometimes they miss the very top price, but they also miss the crash at the bottom. Less monkey sad, more monkey chill. So, next time you see a feeding frenzy in the market, whether it's bananas, stocks, or crypto dash, coffee dash beans, ... pause, take a breath. Ask yourself, am I Monkey Mike right now? Are you buying because you understand the value, or just because you're terrified of watching other monkeys get rich? Don't let FOMO turn your hard-earned leaves into worthless, glitter-covered mush. Invest with your head, not just the herd instinct. Be a smart ape. Do your research. Understand the risk, and only swing for bananas you believe in. Avoid the FOMO frenzy, and you might just keep your leaves safe for real jungle treasures. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and keep those bananas sensible. Smash that subscribe button for more ways to avoid financial monkey business. See you in the next find.